Hey, what's up guys, Himanshu here back with another video, and today I'm going to be talking about pros and cons of Redmi Note 5 Pro. Well, these are my opinions, so you won't have to agree with it. So without further ado, let's get started. Let's talk about pros and cons simultaneously. All of you know about its good design choices, the vertical cameras, the metal body, 18:9 ratio screen and all of that. But that metal body is kind of boring now. All the mid-range and budget phones are making it, and it is not that durable after 6 to 8 months. I mean, if you own a Redmi device, you know very well that with or without any back cover, it is prone to scratches very easily, no matter how good care you take of it. It still records 1080p, but I like it as Xiaomi can bring 4K recording with an OTA update. Stabilization is okay with the EIS, and I like its front camera better than rear. I don't know why. Maybe because I haven't seen a good front camera in this price range before. Battery is as always good. It adds up a little weight, but that's totally fine by me. I won't mind extra weight if I'm getting a better battery. It can easily last you a day and a half on normal usage. Xiaomi has done a great thing by giving a USB-C port on Mi A1 but not on this. Why Xiaomi, why? Well, most of you will not care about it, but I care about it as I need the latest and greatest thing on budget. This device supports fast charging, but Xiaomi hasn't provided a fast charger. That's a bummer. Well, all other things like network reception, call quality, screen, battery is good, and overall for the price, it's a bang for your buck. There were some things to nitpick that I have done in this video. So that's all for this video. Thank you so much for watching. If you like the video, make sure to hit that like button and subscribe to CreatorShed if you haven't. And do follow me on Twitter, Facebook and Instagram. All the links will be in the description below. So see you in my next video. Till then, this is Himanshu signing out.